Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourself, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today, I'm going to talk about career progression post mid management in banks, the narrowing pyramid. Career advancement in banking is strictly hierarchical, where careerists transition from entry level to mid management before reaching top leadership. In contrast, after mid management, the rung of the career ladder is observed to narrow, like that of a pyramid, where competition for the top notch positions becomes fiercer, requiring excellent performance, strategic networking, and continuous upskilling. This video discusses the hindrances and how career growth is achieved beyond mid management in the banking industry. The structure of banking hierarchy. The banking sector operates within a hierarchical framework, generally comprising the following levels. We start with entry level positions, clerks, probationary officers, associates. Then we move on to junior management, which has positions like assistant managers, branch officers. Then we move on to mid management, branch managers, relationship managers, senior credit analysts. Then we move on to senior management, vice president, general managers, regional heads. Then, the topmost in the hierarchy, we move on to executive leadership, which has positions like chief executive officers, managing directors, board members. While promotions up to mid management are often based on tenure, experience, and performance, progressing further requires a distinct approach due to the diminishing number of available positions. Challenges of career progression mid post mid management. Limited positions at senior levels. As professionals pass the mid management level, positions are significantly lower in number. While junior level positions have relatively structured promotions more often, there are fewer positions at the senior management level. This makes competition very stiff. Performance based growth. More advanced promotions are based on performance measures. More specifically, this might include revenue generation, cost control, acquisition of clients, and strategic decisions. Employees are required to consistently outperform expectations for a promotion. Need for specialized skills. Mid management roles are essentially about operational efficiency and team management. However, for senior leadership positions, there is a need for risk management expertise, regulatory compliance, digital transformation, and economic forecasting. It is an upskilling and continuous learning enterprise. Networking and visibility. For managers and beyond mid management, internal and external networking plays a crucial role. Employees need strong relationships with key decision makers in the organization and industry to increase their chances for being considered for leadership roles. Strategic thinking and innovation. Banks operate in a rapidly changing financial environment characterized by the impacts of technological innovation, regulatory change, and economic fluctuation. The leaders should, therefore, be strategically astute, flexible, and innovative in managing the complexity. Strategies for career advancement post mid management, continuous learning, and professional certifications. To stay competitive, professionals should pursue relevant certifications such as Certified Financial Analyst, CFA, Chartered Banker CB, Certified Risk Manager CRM, Financial Risk Manager FRM, Advanced Management Programs AMP from reputed institutions. These certifications enhance credibility and demonstrate expertise in specialized areas of banking. Leadership and soft skills development. Transitioning into senior roles requires strong leadership, communication, and decision making abilities. Professionals should focus on emotional intelligence, crisis management, conflict resolution, negotiation skills, public speaking, and executive presence. Expanding cross functional experience. A wide range of functions that a senior leader must have include retail, corporate, investment, and digital banking. Working in different departments gives one an overall view and therefore a professional who is better positioned for top jobs. Advanced career strategies. Building a strong professional network. Networking in banking is vital to career advancement. The senior executives, mentors, and leaders can provide valuable information on networking in the banking sector. Conferences, seminars, and association of banks create exposure and increase one's reputation in the banking world. Demonstrating innovation and strategic vision. The bank looks for innovators who will drive growth through innovation. The professional should suggest and implement the digital banking solution, cost cutting measures, and customer engagement strategies. If a person thinks ahead, the chances of him being rewarded for leadership positions are higher. Global exposure and mobility. As banking is becoming more globalized, this may provide more international exposure and experience, thus, being open to overseas assignments or cross border projects can enhance career progression and position professionals well for global leadership opportunities. Mentorship and coaching. Guidance from experienced mentors and executive coaches can be helpful in providing insight into one's career progression. Mentorship can help them overcome challenges, hone their leadership skills, and align their career goals with organizational objectives. Case studies. Successful career progressions. Case study 1, Rise of a Bank CEO. A mid level manager of a nationwide bank pursued the MBA in Banking and Finance program and took many different leadership organizational roles through departments. However, he very heavily networked through the profession to get positioned in the high seat of running as CEO as well. Case study 2, Transition from mid management to regional head. A corporate banking relationship manager whose focus was high net worth clients acquisition, loan portfolio enhancement, and NPAs reduction had a history of consistent performance and innovation, leading to her being promoted as a regional head. Conclusion. The path forward. One reason why career development in banks becomes difficult at the mid management level is that there is a narrowed hierarchy. The professional, however, can upgrade his growth chances by learning continually, leadership development, cross functional exposure, and networking. Strategically positioned with high performance, the professional can move from the ranks into senior leadership to support the development and innovation of the industry. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.